Hi, today I'm going to show you how to make a very simple Epsom salts and lavender bath soak. So lavender, as we know, is very calming, relaxing and soothing, and it's perfect to make a bath soak. So all you need are some Epsom salts and some lavender and something to put it in, maybe a big jar if you want to make up quite a lot in one go, or a small jar, or you can even put a cup of Epsom salts into the bath and put some lavender drops in it. But today we're just going to show you how simple it is. So I'm just going to put some Epsom salts into this container. Make sure you've got something to stir it with, maybe something like a wooden kebab stick or a little wooden spoon. And we're going to put 10 drops of lavender oil in. Per cup of Epsom salts, and then just give it a little stir just to make sure it's spread around with the Epsom salts. And then that's it. You could put some little lavender, dried lavender in it if you wanted to make it look pretty, or you can just seal it. That's going to keep the oil in, so it's going to stop it from drying. And then put it in your bathroom so it's handy, and then just tip a cupful in, or however much you want. Or you could use it for a feet soak as well, so put it in a washing up bowl, just fill it with some water, put some of these in and a soak for about 10 minutes. Hope you enjoyed that. It's really that simple. Obviously you can customize it to put any oils in that you like, so have a play and see what you enjoy. Okay, thank you.